Today I'm going to show you how to connect to the EZY.ai WordPress plugin. So first of all, make sure you are on the EZY.ai dashboard. Click here on EZY Connect. There'll be a few different options such as the EZY Connect, but we want this one here, WordPress plugin. So if you click that and then click download EZY plugin, that will download the EZY plugin to your local machine. Now we go to your WordPress website. If you don't know how to log in, it's normally your website /wp-admin. And then on the left navigation here, find plugins. Click on plugins. Every one is a little bit different, but click on add plugin and then click on here, top left, upload plugin, and then choose the file. And it's the last file we've just downloaded from the EZY website, and then press install. And what will happen, if you just wait, you'll see that this is loading now, and this will install the EZY.ai WordPress plugin onto WordPress. And then finally, just click Activate Plugin. And what you'll notice is on the left navigation bar, you now have a new option called EZY.ai. And also in your plugins, you can see EZY.ai, AI SEO, and AEO plugin for WordPress. So if we click now on EZY.ai, you can see that you've got this easy looking dashboard. So just click here, this orange button, connect to EZY.ai, and you're going to have two options. First of all, you can just copy this and paste it into your EZY.ai dashboard, or just click here, open EZY.ai dashboard. This will open the EZY.ai dashboard and enter the authentication code for you. Press connect, and that is basically it. You are now connected without having to use any code. Just make sure here this is connected. If it doesn't, press refresh. But now you are connected to your website and to the EZY.ai plugin. One thing that I could quickly show you now that you're connected to the EZY.ai WordPress plugin is if you just have a look at some of your widgets. Okay, let's just click on them. And you've got your optimize robots file and your optimize everything, and you can regenerate here. All you've got to do is just upload to WordPress. And now this will be put into a queue. Well, it's already done it. It's uploaded your robots file. We can upload your LLMs file. Just look for the yellow button and everything will be automatically uploaded just by clicking that yellow button. Awesome. And all of your scores will immediately increase. This is how quick it is to upload your schema across every single web page and your meta descriptions across every. Of course, you want to check them. I've already had a quick look to make sure that the EZY generated meta descriptions are better than what I already have. I already have 0. So you just upload and it will nicely queue everything here, including the blogs and everything else, and upload these and give you a high score. Now, the reason why these aren't 100% yet is because there's probably another change to make, but as you can see, my score has been updated and gets updated in real time. So hopefully you found that useful. It's a quick introduction of how to install the EZY.ai WordPress plugin. And as I said, all of these changes will be queued. As and when they happen, you'll be notified. Thanks for listening.